फिल्म फेयर टीवी पर देखा करती थी, नाउ आज आप फिल्म फेयर की पीसी में हैं, ऐसी कोई मेमोरी है?
I think I remember seeing Karishma Kapoor win awards, and tabhi I think it was very different. It was a very even the events felt like मुझे हर artist में, like I remember एक सलवार कमीज में जाके उन्होंने अपना award collect किया. There was such a, I don't know, there was a kind of rawness to those particular award ceremonies. Am I right, Chitesh? I remember seeing so मुझे वो एक बहुत vivid memory है. मैंने जब उन्हें देखा था, I felt कि मैं भी उनके जैसा बनना चाहती हूँ. So yeah, and when I meet Lolo now, she's just warmest, sweetest. So yeah, it's like a life is like a circle.
Tamanna, as films have also evolved over the years, with technology coming into advancement, what is that one thing when it comes to award ceremonies you want that to be evolved, and one thing that should be retained to both of them?
I think as Tamanna said, I also remember when we were growing up watching film fairs on our television screen, the whole fun of not knowing who is going to be the winner, and to get to know it then and there was such a high for us. But now, of course, because of social media, you get to know it way more in advance. I miss that. I miss that thrill of watching it on television and not knowing who's going to be the winner. And how people used to come. Everybody would come together and just root for each other. So I think that there was a lot of love and friendship, which I used to see on screen. Even on TV, I could feel that there was a lot of love and mutual admiration for each other at that time. So I wish that comes back. And what was the next one? The second? To evolve. To retain. I think the trophy should be as it is. They should never ever change the shape of the trophy. Because it's iconic, there's so much history attached to it, and it's heavy, but it's beautiful. So yeah, I think that should never ever change. And Jitesh should be the Filmfare editor all his life. And of course, but there should be some, as you said, some incrimination. Yeah?
Yeah, this was Jitesh.
What's 2025 with Gujarat Tourism?
So I've split the awards. Tamanna will read out about 5 or 4. Raj will read about 4, and I'll read the rest. So you want to go first, Raj? Okay.
So, best sound design, Subhash Saho, Kill.
Guys, films can't be made without these people. So yeah, we need to. Yeah.
Imagine आपको गूंगी टीवी देखनी पड़ती, बहुत funny लगता. Best sound design, guys. That was, as I said, Subhash Saho for Kill. Best editing, Shiv Kumar V. Panekar for Kill. Best action, Seong Oh and Parvez Sheikh, Kill. Best VFX, Redefine for Munjia.
And the technical awards category, best background score goes to Ram Sampath for Lapata Ladies. Best cinematography, Mr. Rafe Mahmood for Kill. Best production design, my friend Mayur Sharma for Kill. Best costume, Darshan Jalan for Lapata Ladies.